Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is simple scanner. So I have already installed this. We have to select the language, then easily we can select scan. We have to click on allow. Business card, ID card, academic DOS, personal tag, and all documents we can scan by this. So scanner code if you want to, and generate code if you want to, so you can do by this. This is very fantastic. You have to click on this and you have to click on picture, so then you can take the picture and then easily you can do this. So this is very fantastic to use. ID code if you want to scan, so you can scan by this. It is very amazing. And if you want to book documents and as well as the photo, you can scan. So this is very fantastic app. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. And by this app, if you want to clean your junk, you can clean by this. Okay, thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.